some of you tried my 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies and mentioned that they crumbled after baking. So I went back, tested a few things, and I want to show you what actually helps them hold together better. Let's take a look at the oats. We are using old-fashioned oats in this recipe. As you can see, the flakes are larger than regular oats, and that can make the cookies more delicate and easier to fall apart. So we're just going to do one simple fix. We're going to pulse the oats a few times until they are slightly finer, and this is what they look like. So here we have the peanut butter and sugar. I'm going to add the oats, and I'm going to mix until the dough comes together. I'm going to let this dough rest for about 10 minutes. Letting the dough rest will give the oats time to absorb moisture, and it'll also help everything hold together better. Now let's shape the cookies. We're going to gently press them down onto the baking sheet. We want these to bake evenly. You may use a spoon to get this done, or you can use a fork. Let's bake these the exact same way as before on the middle rack. While those are in the oven, let me just point this out. This batter right here is so good. I just had a small amount on a spoon, and I was just like, Delilah, you need to stop because you will eat this entire bowl. Like, this is so good. So here they are, fresh out. I let these bake for 10 minutes. I'm going to let these cool for 15 minutes on the baking sheet, but I'm going to put the baking sheet on top of a cooling rack. And letting them cool down will allow them to fully set and hold together better. Now you can see the difference here. They do hold together better, but they're still going to be a softer, more delicate cookie. And that is completely normal for a recipe like this. Now, typically cookies have a few key ingredients that help build structure. And like we are working with just 3 ingredients here, very simple ones. Okay, so these cookies are not going to have the same firmness as a traditional cookie, and that is okay. Now, if you're looking for a more traditional bakery style cookie with a firmer texture, this may not be that. All right, but if you're looking for something simple made with just a few ingredients, egg-free, and easy to put together with what you have on hand, this is a really great option. So if you want the full recipe, you can check out my 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie video here on my channel, and I really hope these tips help if you decide to try them. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next one.